Hi fellow sailors, I'm going to take you on a quick tour of our Sea Terrace Cabin on the Valiant Lady. So as we enter, we have the door here, and this will map out your assembly station. If there's an emergency, we're at A7. Right here we have our closet space, so hangers right here, these little baskets for more storage. Right over here we have buttons for room service and do not disturb. Okay, open up here, we have our safe, so make sure you put your documents in there, and a bit more storage. If you didn't bring your hair dryer, we have a hair dryer right here ready for you. Okay, so that's storage right there. Okay, let's take a look at the bathroom. Okay, so the one thing about the Virgin bathrooms, at least just the regular Sea Terrace, they're kind of small. But you know what? We have our glass shower here with rainfall shower, as well as this handheld one right here, which I do like having both. And then your body wash, your hair conditioner, and your hair wash right here. So even though it's small, it's functional. And here we have a bit more storage at the bottom here. That's your sink. And look at these. I love these. These are you have your hand towels, but also makeup towels, and we know how important those are, so that you don't wreck the rest of the towels right here. Okay, you have some hooks. Okay, so next, if we look at this area, we have the bed, which is a king-size bed, and I love the fact that right next to the bed we have outlet and 2 USB ports and some access to lights there. So just take a look. Oh, there's those lights up there. See those lights? It's affecting that. Okay. So, okay, but we do have our towels, which are already ready for us in our room, which is very convenient. Of course, you could pick these up on the pool deck, but this is a nice added touch to have them in the room already. And then we have the desk area right here. It's a pretty big desk area. There's the little bench here. So we have the desk, we have the phone, this little light. I love this little perk as well. You just have free water here, and the room attendant fills it every single day, which is fantastic. And then we open this up, and we have our fridge. Okay, so one thing I wanted to show you as well is that everything as far as the lights and the TV is controlled by this little iPad or tablet. And here, for example, you can access the TV and the curtains right here. Actually, let's see how that works. So if I close the curtains, there you go. So I don't have to get up. And then you just hit open, and it should open. It should open. There you go. Alrighty. So then we have the lights. So you can edit all the lights. I think something's happening here. Something happening with the lights here. There you go. And then you get entertainment. You have room controls here, and this is where the different moods are. Get it on, turns it into this pink, which is so cool. Can you see me? No? Can you see me? Do I look pink? And then we have photo shoot, which opens everything back up. Obviously, you need lighting with photo shoot. And then Zen, I think Zen closes everything up again. No? Zen. Okay. Oh, it's enabled already. And then pumped up. That turns everything purple. And then we have hangover. Hangover turns everything back up. Hopefully we won't need that. Okay, so let's open everything back up. There you go. And then here you have your entertainment for your free movies and any services and information. You can access that on your tablet. So that's there now. So a pretty big room. And this is not even the extra large room. This is just your regular sea terrace. And now the best part, which is the actual balcony or sea terrace itself. So there you go right here. And then we have obviously the hammock. I'm gonna have you test it out. Okay.
Remember, not just the seats, but also
there you go. Now I know on the newer ship, I think the Brilliant Lady, there's some cabins that have 2 hammocks. I think that's a really great idea because we're going to be fighting for this hammock all through the cruise. But there you go. And there is the view of the Port of Miami. All right, so that was a very quick tour of the Sea Terrace Cabin. We're actually on deck 14 on the Valiant Lady. So what'd you think? What do you think of this cabin? Would you stay in a cabin like this? Or do you need a Rockstar cabin, which is available as well? Why don't you comment down below and let us know. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We're going to have more videos on this ship and future cruises coming very soon. Happy cruising!